अरे यार गिर गया।
आवाज आ रही है? ओके ओके।
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। गाइस वी आर रियली हैप्पी कि आप सब इंस्टा पेज को बहुत सारा प्यार दे रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग हमें रोज फॉलो कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर सुपर हैप्पी अबाउट इट। अब इस चैनल पे भी शो यू लव, वी आर ब्रिंगिंग अ लॉट ऑफ गुड टॉपिक्स फॉर इवेंट प्लानर्स एंड इवेंट फर्म्स। सो बहुत टाइम के लिए वी ऑलवेज आउटसोर्स कंटेंट टू एक्सटर्नल टीम्स, बट वी वर नॉट गेटिंग टाइमली डिलीवरी एंड और भी हजार इश्यूज थे। Then about 2 years ago, we started creating content for one of my Insta pages and we decided to do everything in-house. फिर क्या था? For the next many months, we kept wasting our money, we kept burning our hands. जी हाँ, hard-earned money, GST वाली tax money on a lot of equipment and we kept failing for most part of it. Today we have our own equipment and we use tech to create our own content. So आज मैं बहुत सारे secrets reveal करने वाला हूँ। ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो सकती है, but it's very insightful. Stay tuned. Okay, let's start with the equipment list. Tripod. This is the tripod we use. If you're buying tripods, ideally buy separate ones for the phone camera and for the digital camera. Guys, please bear in mind that your tripod has to be very sturdy. We burnt our hands with models like these on Amazon.
सर, Amazon का नाम मत लो क्योंकि फ्यूचर में एड्स नहीं मिलेंगे।
अभी तो एड्स नहीं चाहिए ना, कर सकते हैं। One of these broke right in the middle of a podcast while I was shooting. You can imagine the embarrassment I faced. Digitech is the best brand, undoubtedly. It's not very expensive yet very sturdy. This is how the phone one looks and this is how the camera one looks. Here are a few more brands and types you can use. Now the camera phone. You can use an iPhone, A phone, B phone, C phone, D phone, any phone. Actually not this one, but we use this OnePlus 11R. Not very expensive yet the camera is excellent. Digital camera, again no limit to what you can spend on, but we use this model from Sony. Guys, mics में, wireless mics में, I think Boya is one of the best brands. We have used many of their models, but कुछ ना कुछ issue आ जाता था. Like this collar clip keeps breaking, but फिर भी this is one of the best wireless mics when you're not looking to spend too much money. But जब से we started using Holyland, we have never looked back at anything else. This is the model we use. This model gives us a range of 300 meters. Not that you will need it, but still, if you want to try it from a cliff, do that.
आवाज आ रही है? ओके ओके।
The battery life for this case is amazing. I charge it once in 2 months. सही सुना आपने, 2 months, and we use the mics every single day. Also, this is the only mic, mind you, the only mic जिसमें you can hear an audio or a video without removing the jack like this. It's a little expensive, but one time expense है, कर लो, you'll never regret. अगर 2 लोग यूज करेंगे तो you can share the cost with the guest. If you can, why not? Now here is the link. Count कर लो भाई, I have given Amazon links for all of these products so many times. Ad तो मिल जानी चाहिए अब. Now the lights. चलो जी, lights camera action वाली lights पर आते हैं. So in a small given room, I usually switch off the ceiling lights and use these lights instead. Hiffen brand, Amazon पर easily available है. एक और बार Amazon यूज किया है. We use the bulbs in snow white color and warm white add करने के लिए we use this one. इस वाली लाइट का नाम क्या है आकाश? Not sure, but I think we got this one from Amazon as well. This is the one I think. Works best, but बहुत expensive है for the value. Anyway, go with the Hiffen and Creo only for lights. Now that we've discussed the equipment, let's go to the shooting. Space. Use a small room so that there is enough lighting or use a mix of natural light and support lights. But using natural light could be tricky as you'll have to change settings if you tend to shoot in the evenings as well. If you use a bigger room, then you'll have to use more pillows, furniture, शायद absorbers भी to absorb the sound and avoid echo. Here are some links for sound absorbers. Now let's move on to the more interesting part, the tech. We use BigWoo for recording. It's a very simple and very efficient tool that allows you to record your videos through a teleprompter. So you upload a script like this, start recording, adjust your speed, and then you're good to go. You can also edit your videos using the same app. Some people want to read through this app and record on a digital camera. Yes, you can do that. The great part is that this app allows you to fix your eye focus angle as well later on if you want. है ना amazing? And it's not very expensive. It comes at 4090 rupees per year to 2999 per year. We're using the 4090 starter package currently. चलो रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई. अब इसे शेयर कैसे करोगे? Guys, we use Dropbox. We tried many platforms but settled in with this because it's very easy to use. It doesn't have any lags and works across screens perfectly. We share to Dropbox ऐसे सिंपल है ना, और यहाँ से कोई भी टीम मेंबर डाउनलोड कर सकता है as long as they have the access. Now comes the important part, the editing. We use high-end laptops like these. Here is the configuration, and we use apps like Canva, Premiere Pro, After Effects and Light Motion. Gosh, कितना सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. Not really. Once you start using these, things will become much easier. चलो आज के लिए इतना ही है. मुझे comments में ज़रूर बताना कि आपकी इवेंट मैनेजमेंट जर्नी कैसे चल रही है, and also any questions regarding content creation. ख्याल रखो अपना. See you guys next week. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.